All right, Sharon, what do you got? Welcome back to Saving Mamasita. So glad you guys could join me here today. For those of you who are brand new, I welcome you. Yes, we are a little excited today, and yes, this is a normal situation. We love subscription box unboxings here at Saving Mamasita. In fact, we do quite a bit of those from various niches on a monthly basis. We also do product reviews and hauls. If there is anything that you would like me to unbox, that you would like to see, let me know down in the comment section down below. And if you like these types of videos, you guys, you need to hit that subscribe button because we like to have a lot of fun here when we do our unboxings. So you are here to watch me unbox Stitch Fix. This is my third Stitch Fix box. Yeah, my third. I like to have a personal stylist choose items based on my profile. So you guys, that's what it's all about. Stitch Fix is a personal styling service for those of you who enjoy fashion, but you aren't quite savvy on putting items together, or maybe you are, but you don't have a lot of time to do so. If you've missed any of my other Stitch Fix unboxings, you can check those out right up there. So, StitchFix.com, you are going to pay a $20 styling fee. You're gonna get 5 items shipped to your door. You decide if you wanna keep them all, if you wanna keep 1 or 2. They send you a bag inside of your box to send back any of the items that you don't want to pay for. If you decide to keep all 5 items, you're gonna get a huge discount. So that is something to consider as well. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing, and then my friends, we will do a try on. So stick around for that. Super excited to see what my personal stylist chose for me. One thing that's kind of cool about this that I need to mention is we're coming up to wedding season. Summer is usually full of wedding seasons, different events. If you're looking for a dress or an outfit for that occasion, you can let your stylist know that. And your stylist will choose some dresses or dressier ensembles that they feel would fit your styling needs and have it in time for your event that you're attending. Super cool. If you're looking for jeans, they'll find those for you as well. So if there's a specific need or something coming up that you want to be styled for, simply let your stylist know and they will work with you on getting that taken care of and getting you looking freaking fashionable. Here's what it looks like. All of my pieces are in there as well as a bag. This is an already ready bag. All you have to do is throw the items inside that you don't want, or maybe you need an exchange on an item. Throw those items in here. It already has postage on it. Throw it in the mailbox. Boom, you're good to go. It also comes with an envelope, and in this envelope is some very, very important information. Inside, you are gonna have your invoice that's gonna list all of the items inside your fix. And then, this is super freaking cool. This is called Stitch Fix Freestyle. You go to their website, stitchfix.com/freestyle, or on their app, and they're gonna have ideas on how to style your pieces. So if you're like me, you have a hard time putting together outfits, this will give you some inspiration, some ideas on how to style your pieces. There's a note on here from my stylist, Miss Sharon. Hi Amber, and a happy fix day. Spring temperatures will be arriving soon, but I know you still have some cold and rainy weather. You have selected some items to get you excited for the warmer days to come, yet keep you warm for the cooler spring days. They talk about the sweater that she included in here, how to style it. As the weather starts to warm up, you will love having this beautiful top to wear buttoned up or open like a cardigan with the tank and the jeans. This dress is in a beautiful spring color and will give you that boho look you were hoping for. Please let me know how everything fits and if you enjoyed your style. Have fun trying on your fix. Enjoy, XO Sharon. All right, Sharon, you nailed my last two fixes. Let's see what you got for me now. Here is my fix. It comes wrapped up in this brown paper. On the front, it says, "Psst, instantly buy styles that go with what's in your fix." So you can download, use that QR code, and it'll take you right to that area where you can style your item. So, okay, the first item. Ooh, look at this. This is definitely that boho type style that I enjoy. For the record, I do wear size medium. This looks like it is a Daniel RAINN pleated shoulder top. It says it's white in medium, but it has some orange and some browns on there. Even like there's a little pop of yellow as well. I love these colors, you guys. And it looks like it is kind of see-through, so you're going to probably want to wear a tank top or something underneath it. So yeah, super, super cute. So on my style profile, I did indicate that I do really enjoy like the boho type style. I love flowy, I love different colors, especially for spring and transitioning into summer. I love the different colors that there are out there. I'm more into the earth tones, so this is definitely my style. Let's just hope that it fits. We also have, ooh, this is soft, super freaking soft. This is 9 BRITTON, size medium. It looks like it's a dress. Ooh, look at that. Look at that pattern, you guys. Definitely has that boho style pattern. Love that. I love the orange and the blue color combination. A sleeveless, but this material is super, super soft. Like, this is gonna be comfortable, like freaking comfortable. And I can definitely see this styled with like a pair of booties, maybe with a jean jacket over it or a sweater. Oh my goodness. Next item is a sweater. This is a Market and Spruce sweater. It looks like it is also a size medium. Market and Spruce Tawnee cotton blend. It is a different material, but I love the white and gray. That is super cute. Definitely has more of like a see-through. You guys can see that. Maybe not, I don't know. It is a cute sweater though. I would definitely wear like a tank top underneath it. We will see. It looks like it has more of like a slimmer fit as well. Ooh, this is cute. It's called Cosmic Blue Love. It looks like more of like a denim top. Isn't that cute? It is a Ava button down blue top. This is a size medium. Definitely a very, very shorter sleeve there. But it is a button down, so you could wear it unbuttoned or you can wear it buttoned over something. It looks like it's a little bit longer too, so we'll see how that works. Finally, we have a pair of jeans. These are Studio Blue, size 30. Okay, as I mentioned before, I am super picky when it comes to jeans. Like, there are only a couple brands of jeans that I actually will buy because they're comfortable, they're not scratchy, I can feel like I can move in them or the jeans move with me. You know what I mean? Jeans are hard. I'm curious to see how these are gonna work. These are a Studio Blue Kenova Skinny Distressed light blue. I love the color, I love the distressed look. I don't like a lot of holes in mine, so this is like a perfect amount of distress in my jeans. The bottoms look like they're a little bit more, not quite a boot cut, but more tapered. Definitely a softer, stretchier material. I love the pockets on the back. I've never tried this brand before, so I'm super excited to see what I think about these. So let's go ahead, you guys. We're gonna try on the fix and then we will go ahead and give them a rating. Let's go. Is that boho style dress. I do like this little cross thing here. Love the sleeveless. I would definitely wear something over it simply just because that's how I roll. I like the length on it. It's not too short, but the material is super soft. On this, so. What do you guys think? Okay, so not gonna lie, I love this top. I freaking love this top. I love the colors, I love the style. It's light, perfect for the spring, even transitioning into summer months. Super soft, lightweight, super cute, comes down a little bit longer. Here are the jeans. Now, I do like these jeans. I feel like they fit me perfectly. They do conform. They're stretchy. The only thing I'm not really digging are the fact that they are shorter. If you can see, they come up here. I mean, I can roll them down a little bit, but they still don't come quite down to my ankles, which I do like the distressed on these jeans. The length is a little bit too short for me, I feel like. Loving this top though. Not gonna lie, this top is freaking comfortable. For me, I like a longer sleeve, but this isn't bad. This is not freaking bad at all. And while I'm normally not a denim on denim type person, hey, the 90s are back. You can roll with denim on denim, you guys. You can do it. You can do it. I like this top. I really do. I really do like it. I like it a little longer like that. Super cute. Like it. What do you think? And it fits perfect. All right, so here's the sweater. What do you guys think? Feel like it fits me perfectly. Still a little loose here, which is perfect. It has the slimmer fit. Like that. As you can see, it is see-through. I do have a colored sports bra underneath, so it definitely can see that a little bit through it. So you might want to wear like a white tank or a gray tank underneath it, or a bralette or something like that. But yeah, I don't know. I kind of like this. It's cute. It is cute. It's comfortable. I mean, it does. For me, it does kind of have that scratchier feeling to it. It's not like 100% comfort for me. So I can't really say that I love this, but I do like it. All right, you guys, that concludes the unboxing and try on of my third Stitch Fix. What do you guys think? Let's do a quick review and then we will go ahead and rate that box and the items that I decide to keep. I'll let you know. So let's go ahead and do a quick review. I received this sweater. This sweater, according to the invoice, is $68. So if I were to buy this item, it would be $68. The jeans, the distressed jeans, these are Studio Blue distressed roll-up jeans. $68 for these jeans. They did fit me perfectly. I just wasn't sure about the length on them. Next item, I have the Cosmic Blue Love Medium. This is the button down medium top, $68 for this one. Then I received the 9 BRITTON Renata brushed knit dress in navy. Fit me perfectly, very soft, very comfortable, perfect length for me. $46 for this. Finally, we've got the Daniel RAINN pleated shoulder top. $68 for this as well. Sum them all up, the prices would be $318. That's a lot. That is a lot. However, if I decide to buy all 5, I'm gonna get the 25% discount, which is a $79.50 discount. So the order subtotal would be $238.50 minus the $20 styling fee that I already paid for free shipping as well. So my order total would be $218.50. Let's go ahead and rate that box, rate that box, rate that box, rate that box. Okay, so when we rate the box, you guys, we rate based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't buy that box, or 10, yes, queen, you need to buy this freaking box. So how do we rate the box? What are the factors, you ask? Well, let me tell you right now. We rate based on the following factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box, how it's packaged, how it's shipped. Do all the items come intact? Do all the items come inside the box that they said were gonna be in the box? We also rate based on the variety of the items of the box, as well as the quality of the items in the box. Going to say, I love this service. I love the concept of this service. I love the fact that I have my very own personal stylist. Makes me feel very fancy, very special. My stylist went ahead and chose items based off of my profile and my sizes. Everything in this box fit me perfectly. As far as the styling goes, I think Sharon really nailed it. She knows that I love the boho style. I love the pattern of this shirt. I love the pattern of this dress. I love the denim. I love this. It fits so perfect, was so cute. Sweater was so. The jeans fit me great. So looking at that, I think Sharon nailed it. As far as the price point goes on these items, not gonna lie, it's a little steep for me. All of these items were very, very freaking expensive other than the dress. The dress was $46. I feel like that was a little bit easier to stomach than a $68 top. Am I gonna keep any of these items, you guys? What am I gonna rate this box? Let's go ahead and rate this box. Hit that drum roll, please. Stitch Fix. I'm gonna give you a rating of a 7.5. I hate to say this. I really, really hate to say this, but I'm gonna send everything back. Don't feel like I can spend individual amount for each of these items. I would have kept this one for sure, $68. Can't pay that. I would have kept this top, $68 for this top. I can't buy that individually either. I probably wouldn't keep the jeans. I don't think I would keep the sweater. The dress is maybe the only item that I would keep based on the price point, but I'm not 100% loving this item. So sadly, I'm gonna send everything back. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you are interested in these types of videos and my style of unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.